friends. So today what we are going to do is data generation. Okay, synthetic data generation is a very good hot topic nowadays, but they are not telling you some of the things which are not available in our country. It is so strange to think that the photogrammetric kind of concept in synthetic data generation in Unity and other softwares. So this photogrammetry based synthetic data generation is gaining lots of popularity. So what happens is that you just take a 3D image. So I have an image of a bore well. So yeah, this is just a bore well. This bore well is being scanned by 20 photos and is being uploaded, and I have a very good service for this. And you have to understand that there are lots of apps in the Play Store. In our country, we are not poor, but we are not affordable to these iOS and all those costly phones. Okay, and as you can see, this app is development. It may be unstable, but it is 1050 for buying. Okay, this is a very good one, but what you can do is that this 3D Scanner Pro is a very good app. When you start to install it, no, it can be used for photogrammetry. So far in photogrammetry, you can see this, and 3D image is being given. Okay, 3D image is being given, and this 3D image, okay, this 3D image is just annotated, and what you can do with this is so simple. Okay, the annotation takes a very long time, so you just put a bounding box and you must just lock it with that object, and after locking that bounding box with an object, or this segmentation could be done very easily. Sorry for opening the YouTube. The segmentation can be done very easily, and this can be used for this data generation is synthetic, artificial in artificial neural networks. So you just can generate these things using Unity software. Okay, with Unity software you can generate it. It is already lots of tutorial has been done. So we will look at the photogrammetric aspect of this synthetic data generation. So the photogrammetric aspect of the synthetic data generation, as you can see that there are lots of photogrammetry based apps in the Play Store, but the best one so far what I have thought is, but this is also best. I don't know why this. I don't know why this is in early stage. Okay, this is very early stage. So these people have an so this is a 3D live scanner. Okay, as you can see, this cannot be enabled in my device. So you have to believe that there are lots of AR core enabled device, because most of the people in USA or somewhere, they used AR core enabled thing, because iOS is AR core and it also has LiDAR inbuilt in it. Okay, LiDAR scanner inbuilt in it. So this is not an just an recommendation for any phone. This is just a recommendation for the texts that are available in the phone for technical people. So you can see that this LiDAR is enabled in this, and you can do this. So Project Tango was started very before, and Asus is the only thing which is enabled with AR core, but its cost is very high. Okay, Asus AR core phone, PHONE. Okay, AR core phone. Okay, Asus AR core phone is very costly, and you cannot afford it. Okay, so Asus AR core is nearly 50,000. Okay, it's nearly 50,000, and it is 50,000 is very costly. Okay, very costly. It is approximately, I think so, 400 to $600, I think so, of US money, US dollars. So you could not afford it. So you can use this app. This is the only app. This app is available for your device, but some kind of apps, this apps may not work, because AR core must be inbuilt in it. Okay, inbuilt in it, and this type of thing could be used for dental purpose and all those type of photogrammetric techniques. So far our channel has been discussing. I have not went to North India, but so far temple photogrammetry, temple HOTOGRAMMETRY. Okay, not very huge photogrammetric techniques. Okay, Indian temple photogrammetry. Okay, this has a huge opportunity in synthetic data generation, and you should just think that. So our photo comes at first, because I think my ID is on. So you can keep on doing it. I am really willing to go for lots of temples, but this is the video made by me in YouTube, temple photogrammetry. Okay, and there are lots of drone based photogrammetry technique. These are all civil based, but making a small photogrammetry, okay, making a very small object photogrammetry such as this bore well. Okay, this is just a bore well, deep bore well for digging water out of the earth. So this is for a project to rescue bore well rescue. I have just made. Okay, this is a very risky one. I'm just making it. So I have just scanned it with 20 images and I have started to make it. Okay, so I have just I'm just trying to clean up the images and everything, and I have put some videos. Borewell open and borewell closed and unsaved borewell thing. So this project is being initiated in our channel, Project Sujit, and because most of the death is happening in India because of the unclosed borewell. Okay, so we have to eradicate it. So these are the unclosed borewells. Okay, I have just these are unsaved methods. So I just bought a cap and I just closed it. So whenever I have time, when I see a unclosed borewell, I just go and close it. Okay, this is very risky one because kittens can fall into that, puppies can fall into that, chickens can fall into that, small animals can fall, even a baby could fall into that. It's a very dangerous one. So we have initiated the project as Project Sujit. So we have started this initiative. This is not for creating a sympathy between before you guys. Okay, this is for a public data set which I'm going to upload in the Kaggle if they accept or not. If they accept, I'm going to upload. I am just going to give you the link of the Drive link or the MediaFair link. Okay, please support our channel. This is for the synthetic photogrammetric techniques. Okay, synthetic data photogrammetric techniques. Okay, so we have made a very long tutorials. We have made wonderful tutorials on photogrammetry on how to do it with various lighting conditions with luminescence. Okay, so far you can see here with you go here and you just type in your YouTube about Tamil. Tamil photogrammetry. So lots of people have done it, but you can see that our thing comes at here. I have scanned through various temples, and also I have made some photogrammetric videos. Okay, and there are some you can see that these are very high resolution and everything. As you can see here, the resolution is about 90,000 vertices. So I highly recommend you that 3D Scanner Pro is a highly suitable app for our synthetic data generation. Okay, I'm going to put the heading in that manner. Okay, so I'm not recommending that. I have not bought any money, or this is not a recommendation, but I just feel I just give you a review. Okay, not any photogrammetric thing doesn't work. You just take a photo, you upload to this server, it comes back, you can clean the data and you can just use it from shoes to statues to everything. Okay, you can almost scan everything. Okay, even a bike or everything. So this is the future. So mechanical engineering jobs will be highly based because they know the CAD. So with some knowledge in animation and VFX techniques, you will be very good in synthetic data generation. Okay, so we have to travel a lot. So YOLO object detection, no matter it is TensorFlow, YOLO or PyTorch, we have our benchmarking standards. This is going to be a very good photogrammetric technique how we are going to do. Okay, for synthetic data generation. So if you have any doubt, you can go for Tamil photogrammetry, Madurai. Okay, Madurai. Okay, or Chennai or something. So our video, most of the videos shows up. Okay, most of our videos shows up. So this photogrammetric technique, you can just put it at Chennai. I have made some videos on Chennai. Okay, at the museum and everything. So this is the only video. Okay, and there are other videos, Chennai photogrammetry, and please, I highly ask you to. Our channel is growing with a lot of subscribers now. We are at most of 190 subscribers. Okay, so our abroad audience from US, please support us. Okay, I have just published lots of videos in Max and mathematics, the beauty of visual mathematics and everything. Okay, my intention is just simple, getting some ideas from science and tech to help the needy, poor, and very conditioned thing. So this is not a scam or anything. You just guys have to, don't be afraid of me. Okay, I'm not going to ask you any money or anything. I'm just going to ask you, I need your technical support, your knowledge sharing, and the way we communicate. This is just a knowledge sharing platform. If you have very good tech people, if you have very good programmers, if you have very good engineers and all those knowledgeable people, tell them to subscribe our channel. Put your valuable comments in our sections, in our description section. It will be a very grateful to us, and we can have a lot of knowledge sharing over there. I have a Facebook ID where you can share lots of knowledge. because we need a web scrape, web-based technology also for this ML deployment modeling and everything. So your help will be a very good support. Okay, we must be trying to build an ecosystem which is like decentralized nature, which is of decentralized nature, which could help the global community. Okay, global community, not only in India, everybody is benefited by it. So this initiative of this random neural monk on this projects at this Corona time, okay, at this COVID-19 time, would be on basically helping people. Okay, so this channel is just to know the beauty of mathematics, to know the value, to help people, to initiate very good projects, to help who are in real trouble, who are in real problem, to rectify all miseries and sufferings that this human has suffered so far because of our ignorance and or of our just stubborn nature. Okay, so these are all due to that. Even corona is due to that. Nobody knows it was created or it was just evolved. Okay, so just subscribe us, so everybody is important. Okay, so we highly request you to go with this app of 3D Photo Scanner Pro. I think it is available in US and everything, our US audience. Okay, there will be a lots of videos in English on mainly on synthetic data generation, because I uploaded sorry, I have just taken the another thing I put in my computer. It's Linux based. I'm using Unity in Linux. Okay, there are some problems. We will rectify it. I need your support. We need to rectify all bugs. I am very normal in programming. I'm not that good. Okay, I need your support. Stay with me. Thank you. Okay.